Today's recipe is flaky currants rolls. So let's get started. First, I added 1/4 teaspoon of salt to 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Next, I added 4 tablespoons of cold margarine and 4 tablespoons of cold lard. I had taken the margarine and lard directly out of the freezer, chopped them up and placed them back into the freezer to make sure that it was solid. This has to be done to ensure that they are extremely cold. Quickly massage the lard and butter into the flour mixture with your fingers. Now gradually add ice cold water to form your dough. I used a little less than half cup of water to form the dough. A crumbly dough should be formed. Remember to work quickly to form the dough because your ingredients should remain cold. Gently pack the dough together to form a ball. Wrap into plastic wrap or a plastic bag and place into your refrigerator to chill for at least a half an hour. In the meantime, prepare the filling by mixing together 1 cup of currants, 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, some freshly grated nutmeg. You can also add cinnamon if you'd like. After taking the dough out of the refrigerator or freezer, roll the dough out. I like to roll my dough out thin, but not too thin, because you do not want the currants to burst through the dough. Please remember to move as quickly as possible as you do not want the dough to get warm. Now spread your filling onto the dough and roll into a log. Roll as tightly as possible. Seal the edges and place onto your baking tray. An egg wash can be brushed over it before placing it into your oven. Bake at 375 degrees for about 30 minutes or until golden brown in color. This currants roll was so nice and flaky. Thanks for watching today's video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye.